guys, welcome to my lab. Here is where I do everything and anything. So I'm going to be working on some photos, some moon photos. That's right, some nice moon photos that will be looking high, ultra high definition to be able to see some surface structures, and I'll do an effort in not getting into glows for you guys. Siri, tell me, is the moon inhabited?
Here's what I found on the web for Is the Moon Inhabited?
So we're going to try to take a look at some structures and some surface topography of the lunar surface, and I'll get some nice photos, astrophotography up. I've been meaning to do it for a while. I have a lot of accumulated photos of amazing surface structures and anomalies that we have to look at. I just can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for stopping by. The newcomers that came to the channel, I love you all. Thanks so much for connecting with me. So we're looking at an amazing photo of the surface of the moon. And the surface topography, this is an area where the topography reflects back a very white surface. So in general, this is all flat. Well, not flat, but very blurry and white. We don't see it. Taking down the light just a little bit, I want you to notice here at the back. I hope you can see it here at the back. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's levels that come down here like stairs at the back. And here at the bottom, some of you have mentioned to me, I think it was Doug Harvey. Doug, bro, I don't know if this is what you mean, but the blur that's on the surface that you see there, and we'll see in other photos a bit closer later, it could be a haze on the surface, industrial smoke, or it could be a different wavelength, because of course the wavelengths are different to our eyes. We could be seeing a white smoke or a gray smoke, a haze. This area in the southern highlands near Clavius Crater, there's an object, triangular, looks like a boat actually, inside of a crater with a spherical dome-like object with tunneling leaving the area where the light is. How can this be in the southern highlands? Now, Mons Arghaeus. Take my pen here, my trusty pen. This is what everyone says is the crater Mons Arghaeus. But what I want people to notice is this area here. In this area, this square area right here, there, dead center, is a massive area where there are many complexes. And I want you guys to be able to see that on the ground. Now, before going in X-ray, I'm just going to show you where the structure is. Two objects here. But look at this object here, how it comes down. Do you not see that path that goes over Mons Arghaeus? And the tunnel that follows all here, it's a white, light gray strip. It goes all here, and then very symmetrically here. There's a building right there. Right there. Gigantic. They're beautiful. They're all along to the east side of Mons Arghaeus. Only a few miles from the Apollo landing. At the back here, more beautiful structures. Look like giant worms. You know, it's just a cement paste or whatever, like us here, pavement. All paved there, you can clearly see it at the back.
Beautiful anomalies. This is stuff you want to see, on the surface. I don't know how clear you guys are seeing it. Look at the bridge there on the right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All the way down. A straight path bridge. Oh, I hope you guys see this. Mons Arghaeus. What's that? You still can't see structures? Oh, scientific research is not for you. I think you better move along. Wow. Okay, this is incredible. All connected. Can you imagine the size of this? We're looking at an area. It's about 1,500 kilometers by 1,500 kilometers. No, 1,000 by 1,000 maybe. Nonetheless, that's structures. Ugh, two guys steal my photos, then they go on the website to call me a narcissist. These are little trophies, what jealousy can make people do. Guys, guess what? A blue-red moon, a purple moon, a blood moon, whatever you want to call it, a very special sight will be seen on January 31st. 3 separate celestial events will occur simultaneously that night, actually, resulting in what some are calling a super blue blood moon eclipse. The astronomical rarity has not been seen for 150 years, according to space.com. So did any of you notice the blue structures directly south of Mons Arghaeus? Many blue structures. Do you all realize what we're seeing right now? We're seeing Mons Arghaeus paths, structures. They look like tunnels, basically. And at the end of each tunnel, while there's a cross section and intersection, if you want, the tunnels leave off from other ends. At the back here, you can see that on top of the mound, the big mountain at the back, there's other lines of mountain-like objects. When I say mountainous, more or less, could be stone, like here, cement. The bridge downwards right here. You see, it's the same colors. This is Clavius Crater. And Clavius Crater has many mechanisms, not just structures, more machinery, I think, coming out up all the way from the north side of the moon.
Clavius Crater. Guys, Clavius Crater is so colorful. Okay? It has so many mechanical, I'm saying mechanical because the area is filled with objects that are so uneven. I'm going to try to explain it right. They're uneven. The whole structure itself you're looking at is uneven. When you look at the structures up close, you can see that each of the structures are symmetrical buildings. It's just like Earth. I'm showing you Clavius Crater with the surface. Inside Clavius Crater, there must be at least 1,100 structures and objects. And that might not even be close. Because of course we have to zoom in. And for a lot of you are asking me if we can see the flag on the surface of the moon. I highly doubt that. Maybe with the 14. Siri, give me tomorrow's lottery numbers, please, ahead of time.
Here's what I found on the web for Give Me Tomorrow's lottery numbers.
Everything.
These are the channel contributors, the ones who've raised the telescope funds, and we're raising money for an observatory. If you want to hear the music and you enjoy the music that I have on my channel, You can go to incompetech.com to find the entire list of all the music that I use. WSO YouTube channel. Please check him out. He's checking out what other channels are getting up in the sky.